Foundation is what? Foundation is 6 foot. The weight of foundation is what? The foundation is 20, and the tower crane itself 3. And now we have 3,000 pound divided 1,000. You have 3 caps kilo pound, 3 kilo pound, and we have here 20 divided 1,000 equal 20 caps, and we have counterweight here is what? 7 divided what? Dimension. Seven, correct? And we have a CG of the boom here. The weight of the boom is what? 1,000. And we have a load. I need to estimate the loads which it will cause overturning. Here is 5 foot, and here is what? 10. Okay. Now, where is the overturning point? Where is the overturning point? Let us see now. This is the trick. Or this point. Now, here يبقى ايه مثلا؟ Here. Here. ولا here. This is the nearest point to the load. It will make overturning to the system. I will resist. I will resist. Overturning by what? By counterweight. I will and foot. Both. I will increase what? I will increase the size of foundation. Yes, if the boom is 100 foot, can imagine you have boom is 100 foot. It's not 50. Oh, the foundation, it will be like a building. And as well, the counterweight is very huge weight. So to make that balance, correct or not? Now is the point I noted. I already get it. Now I have forces left and I have force right, correct? Both of them, one of them to develop moment, it will cause overturning, and the second loads, it will resist the overturning. Should be both of them, it should be equal what? Equal 0. Both of them, the amount of this this moment it should be equal, sigma moment is equal 0. I said now. Okay. Now equilibrium. And now I will do what? The moment around this force. I have one multiply distance. 1 multiply what? Multiply 2. Why 2? Because from this line to this 5 minus 3, because here is 3 foot. Now 5 minus 3, this is 2 foot. Now 1 multiply 2 will be multiply what? Will be multiply 15 minus 3 is 12. Now this is the right hand. Left hand is what I have is 3 plus 20 is the same line of action. Take the resultant then. It will be 23. Multiply 3. What else? Is 7. 7. Multiply what? Multiply 7 plus 3 multiply 10. The equation now, one equation. I told you. 7 multiply 10 plus 23 multiply 3 equal 1 multiply 2 plus LB multiply 12. بس خلاص. LB it will be what? LB it will be equal If you calculate 11.41 kips, 417? 7. Okay. 7. Now, assume now there is a cat. Fat cat is 10 pound. This cat weight is 10 pound. Climb to and walk in the boom and the drop in the load. What will happen? In this case, what will happen? The load we estimated now is what? 11.4. 11,470 blah blah pound, correct? I have a cat, nice cat, nice cat. Assume the load is like that now. Have cat climb and walk here and drop. She likes that. There is a fish in the load and drop and what? I said the calculation now. The calculation now. The calculation. I mean it. The calculation now is 11,400, and there is another 10. What will happen? 100%. Sir, 10.75 and why is not 10.75?
Maximum load. Maximum load.
Okay. Type. Did I tell you factor of safety?
Yeah.
Did I tell you factor of safety? There is nothing. If I said something like factor of safety, consider factor of safety 0.9. Assume. So your answer is what? Your answer is 11.4. 1 multiplied 0.9. So, because a little not 10.75 because he tell you the nearest maximum load a crane is can lift it without overturning is most see most near you are going to have your answer most near what 11.4. Your answer should be what 11, correct? But a lot of engineering, why is 11? Why is not 10.75? There you can exactly like your option. So choose what? Choose the nearest answer related to near to the option. You understand what I mean, guys? Because there is a lot of confusion here. Now this problem is coming to your exam. Everything number in your so why? Why? Because the answer is what? The answer is 11. Where is 11? You are going to calculate? You are going to no change. Again. 10. Based yes, this is a bar. This is a bar. It's still not yet. 1% now. 1% from the injection. Oh, problem. What we have here is coming complicated. And you can say number D is not 11. But it's better to remember the number is 11. After 2 classes, 3 classes from now, I will tell you that our crane problem is 11. Okay, 11. Type number. We are not B. A moment at B, no, it will not having here overturning. It will be here shear flexure. Could be have flexure. Could be what having shear force. The shear force it will cause what that anchor bolt. Did a very good anchor bolts, enough bars, because there is shear force in these cases. And I will tell you now, let us design the foundation, what you need. Now, let us design the foundation, what we need. Reaction load. Is the reaction load here? The reaction load here. Sigma y is equal 0. But all this load is affecting down. But reaction load is 0. What? Sigma y is equal 0. And now 11. The maximum load you are going to carry 11 plus what? Plus 1 plus 23 plus 7. Now your foundation have loads like what? This is now sigma y. You have it. And what? Wind load. You have wind load. Wind load. What's the wind load? What else? There is any shear? Shear force? Check. The wind load, it will develop shear force. The wind load itself, it will develop shear force. The wind load is, you have it. Whatever from this side. Correct? Then what? Sigma x is equal 0. Should be what? You have here x equal. And what else? The moment. So then design foundation. Design your foundation with the maximum load. When we have and this, they are telling you validate the design. Validate the design means what? Gets the action load by third party, especially if you have pre-engineered section, pre-engineered. Kirby, examine. They have their own standard. They have their own section. Means section to make it economic. So it means what? I need to reduce. Hot roll section is standard. Correct? To make for huge warehouse is better to go for PEB ولا hot rolled pre-engineer. We're going to use cost. Correct? Eh? لا, it's not value engineer. Pre-engineer section. Pre-engineer section is Azaman. Anyone work in Azam? Anyone work about it? They are bringing plates, welding the section related to what? The reaction. And not in our we are not the structure design, it's just on the structure analysis. Let us focus in the simple way, so don't confuse yourself. Number 5, number 6. Number 6.
Marhaba, Sheikh.
Come to the classroom then.
Yeah, stay near the board. Yeah, Sheikh. Stay near the board.
Stay in the board? No,
Yeah.
I cannot stay in the board.
Because it's too much disturbance.
What I can do? Class 1. Concentrate. Otherwise, I will not resist. Anyway, number 6, guys. Let's see. A precast wall panel. Long, perpendicular to the drawing plan, multiply 14 foot, and the height of 4 inches. Don't forget that 80% from our problem is foot bound stand. I told you before. British units. Did we are working in Qatar here with these units? No. But in our exam, 80% to 90% is what? It's coming foot bound second. Standard units is 10% to 20%. So I need to be familiar about what? الفوت bound second. اللي هي كيبس، اليارد، المايل، الفوت، inch. Okay, correct. Type 4 inch thick is being into position using single horizontal cable connected to the precast panel. Imagine كده, imagine that we have a carton wall, carton. The thickness is but skirt or foam. And you have it inclined to all over the wall here. And this is already inclined here. I can by my own. Take a hold and then now there is a wall now. Can I do it? Weight of the wall panel, it will resist my tension force. Ask it. We can remove this glass. Okay. Yes. Why? Because our force is more than enough, more than the weight of the panel. Because the weight resists. Easy now, correct? يبقى now the wall panel 4 inches thick in the being into position using single horizontal cable connected to the top. يبقى now I have wall panel. This is a wall panel. I have tension force T, resist by what? Resist by the weight. The weight is what here. Okay, يبقى now this angle is what? 60. And let us see that. Four inch equal 4 over 12 equal 0.3 foot. This dimension here in the board, it will be what? Here is what? A length. It's not 14. 20 foot, correct. Why? Because perpendicular. This is a cross section. I take a cross section now, كده. I am looking for, this is a cross section, correct? But 20 is perpendicular to the board. Yes, this is a 20 now because perpendicular to the board here. And this is 14. Okay. But now I can get the weight of the panel or not? Yes, because he gave me what? This is weight. Is going here. Correct or not? W. W is equal what? This is the first equation. W equal volume 4 over 12 multiply 14 multiply 20 multiply what? Multiply 80 divided 1000 equal 7.46 kips. Now I have is equal 0.46 kips, correct? This force is weight downwards, and this force giving you moment here or not? And the W giving another moment to resist or not? The equation is the second equation or not? The second equation is what? This is the first equation. Second equation, W multiply what? W multiply X. Multiply X. You have 7.46 multiply X. It should be equal what? Should be equal to T multiply Ly. Ly is the distance from here to down. This is Ly. Ly equal 14? No. It's not equal 14. No. equal what? Yes, equal. This is 14. Yes, this is 14 now. يبقى y over 14 equal what? Equal sine 60. And the x equal what? This is 7. Correct? 7. يبقى 7 over x over 7. X over 7 equal what? Equal cosine 60. Sine 30 is equal what? 0.5. Equal what? Equal cosine 60. And cosine 30 is equal what? 0.86. Equal what? Equal sine 60. I need to memorize? Yes. It's better for me to memorize rather than what? I use a calculator in scientific calculator. Not allowed to go with calculator. Only your wallet. Only. There is a certificate. And so you once you push the button, it already has a calculator. So now it's better for you to remember what sine 30 is equal what? 0.5. Equal what? Equal cosine 60. Easy. Sine 45 is equal point. Sine 45 equal cosine 45 equal 0.707. It's better for us now to memorize rather than what? To have too much time ahead. You are calm down and as well trust, confidence, fast. You can deal with you can solve the problem and you'll find what? Weight is equal what? F is equal 2.2. 2.2. This is force. يبقى now the same. If you have the same problem, it choose what? 2.2 directly without calculation. Everything is the same. It's still out. 14. This is 14. This is 14 foot. Here. The height of the precast panel. The height, the width. 20 is perpendicular. This is 20 and this is 14. This is 14 and this is 20. Again, still a problem. All of you guys with me?
I used that way. It stated here the precast wall panel is 20 feet long, and that's the
20 feet long, perpendicular to the plan.
And when I use the
formula?
20 feet long.
Yes. In ولا 20?
No, 20 feet.
لا يبقى sine or cosine. It checks sine or cosine. It checks out sine or cosine. Okay. Okay, let us solve. Okay, we have here a W is equal what? 7.46 multiply what? Multiply the X is equal what? And X equal 7 cosine 60, correct?
Yes.
Equal what? Equal T, F multiply what? Y equal 14 sine 60. Let us see. يلا. The question here, let us see. Still doubt? Yeah. Yeah. Correct. The answer here is what? Same. If I have something wrong in the dimension, here x is the same 7. You take 7. X. Y equal what? Let me see the answer. Is the answer for all the fraction? How much? Maybe it could be 2.3, 2.4, 2 point something.
2.15.
Okay. Okay. Here's what?
Yours is 2.153.
This is 14. This is 14. You take it 14.
You're right.
Okay. Yeah.
Tama.
This is not true. This is not obvious. This is cross section. If I'm going to take a cross section now, if you have wall panel now here, I'm looking like that. I'm take section. A wall panel is inclined now, and there is force here. Okay. It's okay. But 2.2. The answer 2.2. Your answer is 2 something. 2.2 something. It's not 2.1. Yeah, 2.15. When I calculated, it's 2.2 something. I don't know what. The answer is 2. Don't worry, come down. And the calculation is 14 is the 14 is the height, the width of the panel, and the length of the panel 20. Very simple. That's easy. Let us go for structure now. Our 2 equilibrium. We will start until the end of the 2 classes. يبقى now equilibrium is already done. You have